Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 53 of the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio Update. We had a pretty good week. If you had a good week on your portfolio, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Let me know that how your portfolio did in the comments down below. This is a quick one today. Let's just jump straight into the TFSA portfolio. All right, here we are, TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. We're using the Wealthsimple Trade app. That's my favorite. That's what most people seem to use. So let's just jump right into it. We had a good week on the market. It's definitely a good Friday rally, which was nice to see. After that seesaw of a week, it was nice to end it on a high note. I'm going to assume that a lot of people that are watching this had a pretty good day, hopefully, on their portfolio as well. Let's just jump in and show you how we did here. We'll go back to how we're doing for the portfolio in whole, but let's just go on Friday. So as we ended the day, everything was basically up, which is nice to see. So BEP.UN, Brookfield Renewables, we were up 3%. I wish, now again, it's always like hindsight, right? I wish I bought more of this, but anyways, up 3% on Friday, which was nice to see for Brookfield Renewables. They had some news out. They are increasing their dividend. I believe it was 5%, which is kind of nice to see. So on the next dividend, a little bit of a boost there. Just have 10 shares of that. It's a pricey share. But again, up 3% on the day, $12.20, which was nice to see for Brookfield Renewables. Even CMC was up 2.78%. Nice, we're kind of getting some little gains back on that one. That one in general, though, is still down, but that's okay. But a big gain on Evolve Cryptocurrencies ETF. This is the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. And I purchased some more shares earlier in the week because I had some money on the thing because the prices were down. So we are up to 84 shares, and it was nice to see the increase. 13.29% on Friday, 94.92 back up. That's good. Our average price, we're still down. 13.75 is our average price, but we're getting there. I think if we have to continue, hopefully rally a little bit with the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin and Ethereum, this one will slowly go up. I'm going to keep adding to that. Like I said, I want to have about 10% of my portfolio in that ETF. Greenlane Renewables up 4.55%, which is nice. $1.15. If you're watching the channel, a couple videos back, I purchased more of this at about $1, which was nice. I added 100 shares at $1. So it's nice to see our average cost is down. Our average price is down to $1.40. We'll keep adding to this. We have 500 shares, but up 4.55%, $25 on Friday, which was nice to get. REI.UN up just a little bit, 0.22%. The RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, and up $1.25, and we have 25 shares of REI.UN. RNW, this one was flat for the day, actually one of the only ones. $17 closed off. We started and ended at that. We were up a little bit over the day, but then it came down at the end of the day. That's okay. We have 37 shares. We're going to get our regular dividends from RNW, and we'll keep adding to that. We're still down, unfortunately, 12.52%. But again, long-term hold, not too worried. We'll just keep adding to the position. If the price is down, we'll dollar cost average down. But I do like the regular monthly dividends on that one to add to the TFSA portfolio. Solar Alliance Energy up 9.09%. We're still way down on that one, unfortunately, too, but up to 12 cents. Nice to see little bits of gains. This one is quite volatile. Long-term hold on this one. We'll add little bits to that just to see how we can average our costs down and kind of hopefully down the road maybe get a good pop on that one. Slate Office REIT up 0.20%. This little gain on that one up to 503. Our average cost is still 516, so we're down a little bit on that. But again, regular dividends coming in every month. We have 65 shares and made 65. We're up 65 cents on Friday. Telus has been doing well. Had a great week, actually, all told. Up a little bit on Friday as well, 6.69%, up over $30, almost $31, $30.82 for Telus, which is great. We're up to 17 shares with that, and we're up. The total return is nice on Telus, 45.03, up 9.40%, which is nice to see for Telus. Now, the last two are our ETFs. VDY has been doing well as well all week, and up a little bit, 0.43% on Friday, and we have up $8.80. So we're up altogether 15.73% on VDY, which is nice for the portfolio for sure. VFV, this one again had a bit of a seesaw week, but we ended Friday quite nicely, which is good. Up 1.18%, $102 almost, and we were up 2.86% on our 23 shares. We'll keep adding to this one as well. This is kind of the stable of the portfolio that we're trying to add to. I keep an eye on that one. If I can get in there with under $100 as well, I'm always want to try and grab that. So nice to see. Everything is basically, everything is basically on the green on Friday, except for RNW, which was flat. So I think that was a pretty good end to the week. Pretty happy about that. Let's go through and show how the portfolio is doing in total, because if you've been following along, you know we have been down a little bit. So it's nice to see with this Friday to get the gains back up, and we're almost kind of even on our portfolio. So we'll go through. We can have a good day here, up 2.19% on the day, $178.36, which was great. But on the week, we were up 3.54%, $284.97. That basically up almost, basically 3.5% on the week was kind of nice. So on the month, we were only down a little bit, 0.15%. This is really helped out by the Evolve ETC, the cryptocurrency ETF. Definitely a volatile investment, but we can get those, hopefully keep getting those gains back. On the 3 months, we were down 5.15%, $452.03. But if we go to the 1 year, we can see now in the portfolio, we're only down 3.08%, $265.04. I think we're building a nice base of the portfolio here. And if we continue on how we are doing, which would be nice, or even just steady kind of gains up, we will erase that fairly quickly. I'm pretty confident about that. Our all-time is going to be exactly the same. We haven't been used on the portfolio for a year yet. It has only been since last April 1st we started that. So we're getting up to close to the 1 year anniversary. Well, don't forget, let me know how your portfolio did at the end of this week. It's great to hear what some of the comments of people have left, how your portfolio is doing, what some stocks you picked up. I know I was watching, reading some news. Facebook really took a hit this past week. Are you investing in that? What are you kind of doing? It's kind of interesting. The market is still, I think, really kind of going to be a seesaw for a little bit. This is, I think, going to be, hopefully we can carry on with this, Good Friday, nice way to end the week. But again, everything kind of changed overnight, and there's still a bit of uncertainty out there. So let me know how your portfolio is doing. If you've made it this far, aren't subscribed, it'd be great to have you join along. We are actually almost at 700 subscribers on the channel, so thank you to everybody that has subscribed and is following along. We're building a pretty cool community here. There's always some good comments on all the videos. So if you are watching this video, jump down in the comments, leave a comment, respond to a comment. There's lots of questions by people, lots of suggestions on different stocks and ETFs. It's always kind of fun to see what everybody is investing in. That's all, everybody. It's the weekend. Have a good rest of the weekend. We'll see you next week for a couple more videos.